This is a single pane of glass that came from my double glazed windows. I've replaced the old ones. This is about 40 years old, and I want to see what kind of window it is. So I've just hit it several times with a hammer, not too hard to start with, and you can see it's cracked straight away, or within a few hits. Now it's not the strengthening type. It doesn't shatter. It looks like it goes into pieces of shard glass. Now I thought it was going to at least shatter, so it was not so dangerous to this. It's obviously extremely dangerous. Now it might be purely because it's 40 years old and it's not the hardened version. So that obviously isn't the best type of glass around, double glazed. Hopefully the new one I put in is far better than that. So thank you for watching, and if you could please share, like and subscribe.